Okay, that was when I was over here the other day. I forgot to take any video of this floor after I got the tile down on it. The only reason that this other stuff is in here is because it was what we had in here to keep it protected anyway, to keep it from getting rained on, and it's fixing to rain today. So anyway, we just put it all out through here. But you can see the tile goes pretty nice up through there, but right there at that end, it curls up a little bit. It needs to be trimmed. I guess it's a little bit out of square. Either my tiling or their building. But anyway, I think I'm gonna really like that tile looking stuff in the bathroom. Happy Mother's Day to me. My son-in-law, we went over there to my daughter and son-in-law's house for dinner for Mother's Day, and he had these gates that he gave us. And boy, those are going to come in real handy. We'll have to put wire on them to keep anything from getting out, but that's going to be nice to have these gates to set up. I'm filming. Let's go ahead. I won't get you. My son-in-law also gave us a bunch of 4x4 posts, and he's got some more he's going to let us have. Those will be good for the corner posts and gate posts and anything else we want to use it for. And a bunch of windows. Looks like they came out of a trailer that we can use if we build a porch on the front or something like that. And this little sink. It's not very big, but I might be able to clean that up. It looks like from a wet bar. Might be able to clean that up and use it in the house.